If you're experiencing lag spikes in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag. Step 1. Check your system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running Minecraft. This includes having sufficient RAM, a compatible graphics card, and a decent processor. Upgrading hardware may be necessary for optimal performance. Step 2. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the video settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and disable smooth lighting. These adjustments can significantly reduce the load on your system and help minimize lag. Step 3. Allocate more RAM. If you're using the Java edition, you can allocate more RAM to Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and adjust the JVM arguments to increase the amount of RAM allocated to the game. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Minecraft to run more smoothly without competing for memory and processing power. Step 5. Optimize network connection. If you're playing online, ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, and close any bandwidth-heavy applications that may be running simultaneously. This can help reduce lag caused by network issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in the game.